So do you want the same effect? For that, you go to your CapCut application. Now create a new project. Select your desired video and click Add. Now go to Effect version. Click Video Effects. Now go to Basics. Add Blur Effect. Click Tick Mark. I'm adjusting the video length. Delete the ending part. Now adjust this effect according to the length of the clip. Now at the bottom part you can see there are many options. Slide a little bit and you will be able to see option named Adjust. Click on it. Now go to the graph options. Here is the graph option. Click on it. Now do whatever I do. Go to the red portion. Do the same. Go to the green portion. Do the same. Same for the blue one. Okay. Click tick mark. I think your work is done. Now export it in a high quality. So exporting is done. Create another project. Add the first video. Now click overlay, add overlay and add the recent exported video with effects. Now you have to fit this video onto the main video. Okay, I think it's fitted accurately. After that, go to splice. Go to the burn option. Make it 24. Okay. After that, go back and add another overlay. Just download any white background. You can see I have downloaded it. Add this on the timeline. Fit it accordingly. Think it's okay. Now go to the splice option again. Click overlay. Make it 85. Okay. Now adjust your videos according to the length. Now delete the ending part. Adjust the white overlay. Okay, I think it's done. Now let's see how it looks. You can see it is looking very perfect. Okay. Now I'm showing you with a full screen. This is how it looks. I think this is looking better. In this way you can also convert any video. Isn't it so much easy? If this video helped you, please subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the like button. See you in the next video.